Today, we're diving into the cutting-edge world of dash cams with the THINKWARE U3000. This powerhouse boasts an impressive 4K front and 2K rear recording capability, thanks to the stellar Starvis 2 sensor and a robust Ambarella CPU. The adjustable bitrate feature ensures sharper footage, giving you crystal clear recordings on the road. One standout feature is the Super Night Vision 4.0, harnessing the Starvis 2's high sensitivity and low noise technology. This means unparalleled clarity in low light conditions, ensuring your footage remains top-notch even during nighttime drives. The game-changing radar parking mode is a game-changer, utilizing the built-in radar to monitor motion with minimal power consumption. With the inclusion of buffering, you get extended parking surveillance, capturing crucial events leading up to an incident. The U3000 saves a 20 seconds video clip when motion or impact is detected, providing comprehensive coverage. Pairing your device with the THINKWARE Link app is a breeze, thanks to the built-in Bluetooth. Manage settings and replay driving videos effortlessly on your Android or iOS device. The THINKWARE Connected app takes accessibility to the next level. Enjoy live remote viewing of your vehicle, receive instant impact notifications, and more, all in one convenient app. Just remember, an internet connection is required, and carrier charges may apply. The built-in GPS antenna not only tracks your vehicle's speed and time data but also enhances your driving experience by alerting you to upcoming red light and speed cameras. Installation is a breeze with the included OBD2 cable, enabling parking mode hassle-free. The THINKWARE U3000 sets a new standard in dash cams, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features for a seamless driving experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.